that. Garlic. That is delicious. Mmm. You ever had baba ganoush before? So I have just done my veg shop at the organic market, and they normally have a organic cafe there that does toasted sandwiches, and they do this one that is so good with baba ganoush and like grilled broccoli and tofu, and it's so amazing. But they were closed today, so I'm gonna try and make it. And still healthy for you. French bakery, and they had a sourdough baguette, so I got that, which was really nice. I'm gonna try and do everything properly and actually follow the rules and instructions for once, so it actually tastes good. Not that things I make randomly don't taste good, but things like this, I think, you know, if you want the proper taste, you gotta do it properly. Alright. 1 garlic clove minced. And my New Year's resolutions for this year is to try and push myself a bit more out of my comfort zone and try and be a bit more confident and a bit more self-belief. And with the children's book that I just published, it's on a lot of online sites, which is really good, but I am going to have to try myself, because I did assisted self-publishing, to get it into bookstores. So that's going to be, and that's quite scary for me to, like, you know, I don't know what it is. Alright, so it says that we need chili flakes, and the only thing I've got is Korean chili pepper flakes. 3/4 teaspoon sumac. What can I use instead of sumac? I could just put in more lemon. Well, maybe we'll put in some more lemon after we taste it all together. That looks good. Smells nice, garlicky, lemony. Whoa. Okay. That's a bit too much. This one has literally exploded. It smells really nice. This barbecue is pretty old, so we will be getting rid of it. So a lot of it is like 2 weeks fresher than the supermarket, and they do staples like rice, oats, chickpeas, so you don't have to get the plastic. There's a stall that does, you know, all the health food products like noodles and sauces. That's kind of expensive. And then there's one that does organic bread, and there's all sorts, and you can get so much there. And you can get seconds of juicing carrots and bananas and things like that, which obviously avoids a lot of waste in the industry. So it's just so worth it. And we're really lucky that there is an organic market 15 minutes away from us. And that it is, at the moment, the same price as the supermarket. So it's really good. So we've got a little bit of broccoli. To slice it. Some tofu that we're just going to put in oil. I've just brought these in. They smell so good. So it says that you want to kind of open them and let the juice out. I kind of want the juice though, like, but anyway, I guess I should follow the instructions. So we've got the tofu and broccoli there, building up a really nice little char. While we are waiting for the aubergines to cool a little bit, package these. So this has been in there for 2 weeks. I just got a little bit of salad left, and it's still so fresh. Cucumbers too. Really, really nice and fresh still. So this has definitely been one game changer, keeping carrots in water in the fridge, keeping salad in an airtight container in the fridge. And look at these beautiful rainbow stalks. And my coriander goes in here in the fridge. And carrots go in here. Peel the skin off and then the juice can kind of go. I've never made this before. Look at that. Because I love aubergine. I always want to do more stuff with aubergine. So I'm going to put this. I don't think this is going to. Just for a little bit of. That. Oh my god, it's falling up. I love it because it's just such a different kind of sauce. To what I usually have anyway. That is delicious. The garlic, the lemon. Want one of these, babe? Yeah, I made one for you.
Rock climbing, then have a barbecue around a bit later in the hour if you can. I think you are something else.
You ever had baba ganoush before?